Hello, my beautiful kids. So, today we are going to draw a mango. Sweet, sweet mango. So, first we will draw a semicircle. But we are not drawing circle, we are going to draw a oval. So, it's a semi-oval. And then continuing it, we will make another oval and connect it with the previous one. So, now I am making the stick, which is very easy to make. All of you must know how to make a stick. So for leaves, first I have drawn like this. So here I am not sharing you any tips, just draw with me. Even if it's not correct, that's okay, perfectly fine. So now we are drawing leaves. Now we are going to draw some highlights in the leaves to make it more realistic. So just draw a line between the leaves, and then we are going to draw a slanting lines, one on the left and another on the right side of the leaf. So our mango is ready. So now we are going to color it. So I'm coloring my mango with yellow, but I'm not going to color it full yellow. We are going to give it a bit of a shading effect. So here I'm using a marker pen, a jumbo marker. You can use any color you want. You can use either crayons, watercolors or pencil color, whichever you want, whatever you have, you can just do it. So I am going to color my mango till this curve, and then I will give it a bit of a shading effect. So after completing the yellow, I am here using a red sketch pen. Since I am using sketch pen, so I will be using sketch pen. So while coloring the red sketch pen, I am not going to color it properly. I am keeping my hand a bit light. If you don't know how to keep your hand light, then you can use any red sketch pen which is not working properly, so that it will give you a lighter effect. So after completing this, I am again going to use my yellow color and going to color it over the red color. So it will become a bit of orange, not exactly orange, a reddish orange. And while coloring, make sure that you color properly at the boundary where the red is meeting yellow, so that the sketch pen is a bit wet, so little bit of color will go upward, so it will give a mixing effect to the mango. Now we are doing the stem of the mango with brown color, and for leaves right now I am using a dark green color. With dark green I am going to do the parts of a leaf, the center line and the effects which we have made. You can just do it with the dark green color. It will give a bit of a realistic effect. Then after this we will be coloring our leaves with the light green color, not with the dark green color. So I am coloring my whole leaf with the light green color. And when you color light green color over the dark green color, it will become a bit of a darker light green color, and it will give a very good 3D effect. So you can, even if you want, you can skip the step of the dark green color. You can just directly do the light green color. That is also okay. It's up to you. What do you want to do? So our mango is complete. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, kids.